We Indians see gold as a privilege. Most of the gold owned by the common people are in the form of ornaments. It is sold for money when there is an emergency or cash crunch. But when it comes to buying gold coins or bullion gold, it is mostly bought for investment purpose or to gift or for children's future marriage plan. In this video, let us focus on the caveat emptor on buying gold coins for investment purpose. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Are you planning to buy gold coin from banks? Then this video will throw light on how can I buy gold coins from bank, the ugly truth about gold coins, the alternate to bank gold coins, and outlook of gold from retail investors' standpoint. First, let us focus on how can I buy gold coins from banks. If the value of your gold purchase is 50,000 or more, then permanent account number, that is PAN, is mandatory. Buying gold coins from the bank is really very simple. Walk into a bank and fill in simple KYC form, pay the cash and get your premium bank gold coins with a royal package and walk out. But selling these coins is a hectic job and involves so much of disappointments. Let us look in detail the ugly truth about bank gold coins, the premium lie. Bank often publicize that there is no or least making charge for gold coins, but bank charges you an extra of 8 to 10% of the market price. The justification they give you are the highest purity, guarantee, Switzerland import and whatnot, but they are actually charging you more than the original cost and you are simply losing the money you earned. Moreover, the banks will not buy back the coin they sold you. The RBI regulation do not permit the banks to buy back the gold coin. The only way you got is to exchange it for a jewelry or sell it to a gold merchant. So if you are in a situation to encash the bank gold coin, you have no other choice than going to a jeweler. Gold merchants, if you are lucky enough to find a jeweler who accepts your bank gold coin, the price you get will be comparatively very less than the market price. Even then, you are going to pay the additional 10 to 15% of making charge or melting loss on the exchange. So apparently, you are losing your money twice. While you buy the gold coin, the bank will charge you extra money. And while you sell the gold coin, the gold merchant will pay you less than the market price. Let us look into the other alternate options to buy gold. If your plan is to invest in gold or trade with gold, then bank gold coins should be your last option to choose. There are other alternate options. Typically, gold is available in two forms, physical and paper gold. Physical gold denotes the gold ornaments, gold coins, and bullion gold. Paper gold denotes the sovereign gold bonds and gold exchange traded funds. Sovereign gold bond is provided by the government as an alternate for physical gold in paper form, that is bond. SGB gives about 2.5% interest per annum for your capital investment. It is also easy to encash the gold anytime. The capital gain tax arising on redemption is exempted, but the interest on the bond is taxable. On transfer of bond to any other person, indexation benefit will be applied. Gold ETFs. Gold ETFs are open-ended mutual fund schemes where investors can buy and sell units of gold. When an investor buys an unit of gold ETF, gold of the same value is bought in the funds. Gold ETF replicates the movement of gold price in the market. The possession of gold, paper gold, that is SGB or ETF, gives you the comfort of storage safety from theft. It also gives you a transparency in price and purity. You don't want to enter into a hustle about the purity when encashing the SGB or ETFs. Now we shall look into the general outlook of gold from retail investor standpoint. The general purpose of buying gold is either personal consumption or for children's marriage in future or for investment purpose. Unless you are buying gold for personal consumption, it is not advisable to buy gold in the form of ornaments. If you are buying gold for your children's future marriage or as an investment, then you have options like SGB, ETF, etc. At times there may be fall in gold price, but it won't last for long and always make a strong upturn. Thus, it retains its value and helps to beat inflation. It is inversely proportionate to stock market and it helps to balance out the risk in your investment portfolio. We would like to conclude that the gold is a form of wealth which can get you any currency of that value all over the globe. It is advisable to keep an allocation of 5 to 10% of your money in the form of gold. If you are looking for an investment or generating a good return, then you have other options like mutual fund investment, stock market, and other debt instruments. Our website has some blog posts related to the topic gold, and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.
Thanks for your detailed answer.